Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit Quora space from your mobile device. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up your Quora application. Now guys, over here at the bottom right of your screen, just click on that second icon just beside the bell icon. Over here you can see the spaces. Now just you need to click on that your space. Now you'll be taken to the new interface. Over here you just need to click on the setting button. Now from over here you can edit these spaces. Like you can edit your detail from clicking on edit button. Similarly edit your space color, icons, cover photos, and guys you can choose the default order of content in these spaces. I'm choosing the automatic and scroll down a bit guys, and you can change the advanced setting by clicking on the advanced button. Now from over here, post added must contain the following: external link, Quora link or the text. And you scroll down a bit again. If you want to add new submission, just click on the new submission button. Here I am not opening it. Scroll down a bit again. Now guys, here's the review period. Choose the review period length that works best for you. It will be visible in the space rules so that submitters know when their submission will be reviewed by. And I'm choosing the 14 days, but guys you can choose as you want. From here guys, which type of suggestion do you want to receive? Answer from topic tag on the space, answer similar to answer in your space, question from topic tag on this space, question similar to question in your spaces. I have choose the all of them. Similarly, you can edit the all spaces guys. That's how you can edit your spaces. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.